I spend too much time in my room. I keep too many secrets from you. I like to be alone, but it's bad for me, 'cause I spend too much time in my room. I spend too much time on my phone. I know I said I liked being alone, but I care way too much about what they think, so I spend too much time on my phone. I spend too much time in my head. Wish I could say what needs to be said, but no one seems to care about honesty, so I spend too much time in my head. By Wednesday I'll be smoking one too. My brother said he don't know me anymore. What the hell am I supposed to do? Sometimes I still think about you. I don't tell you all the things I used to. Don't like to admit that it's bad for me, but I spend too much time on